Welcome back to Mini Brothers. So we have a quick video for you today. We got some new bolts for the engine compartment. So we got these from SMP 2012. They're super affordable. So we're just going to swap out these bolts, clean up the engine compartment a little bit. This year we're going to do a lot more work on the aesthetic side of the car. We've been focusing so much attention on the performance. So now we're going to start working on the aesthetics, and the engine compartment is one of those places that I really haven't paid too much attention to, but we're going to start improving that. So this should be a pretty quick video. We're just going to swap these out and show you how it looks before and after. So this is what the engine compartment looks like now. We do have, we did change out the intake pipe, and as well as that we put in the inventory intake. I did do a video on that, so check that video out. But the bolts that we're changing are these bolts here. We're just going to swap those out for a more decorative bolt. The washers we went with for this are multicolor. I don't know if you could see that in the sunlight. Now these come in a bunch of different colors, as well as the bolts come black or I think chrome. But we went with the black bolts with these multicolor washers because I think it fits our aesthetic a little more. Practically.
Okay.
It's faster than one now.
Nice.
Yeah. So this is what it looks like with one half of it done. So I've got the bolts on the bumper, the top of the bumper cover piece, and then I've got these front top cross member bolts on. I think we're gonna leave the headlight bolt in and not do that. Those are kind of a pain to work with, so don't want to mess that up. Let's get started on the other side. We're going to loosen all of the bolts, but then we're going to take them out one by one, just so that we don't change anything too drastic. Okay, we've got all the new bolts on. We're just going to tighten them all up, and then it's job done. Okay, there you have it. This is a job done. I quite like it. It's subtle, but adds a little color under the hood. They're a little iridescent, and I quite like that a lot. It's clean, it's easy. You too can do this job yourself. It doesn't take much time at all. So if you enjoyed this project, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. While you're down there, go ahead and subscribe. That helps us a lot.